friends. Today we will learn relationship between birds and trees. Birds and trees share a largely mutualistic symbiotic relationship where trees provide essential habitat, food, and protection. In return, birds act as crucial agents for seed dispersal, pollination, and pest control. This interaction includes protection from predators and nesting materials, supporting the survival of growth of both species.